We were not prepared for the questions they asked because we did not have time to prepare. Have you ever been on an important job interview, or a difficult first date, or maybe a tough college acceptance interview? Well, how did you handle all the questions? How did you handle being interrogated? What would you do today if you were put on the spot to prove your worthiness with no preparation? Well, that's what happened to us. We were so nervous, it had us shaking in our shoes. Well, here's the story. You remember in our last video how we traveled over 800 miles from Tennessee to get to Athens, Texas? Well, we did all that so we could beat out 15 other couples in what was essentially a death match to win the right to audition for a reality TV show called RV Unplugged. And it worked. We actually won the right to audition. But we were so invested in the process of winning the feats of strength that we didn't even think of what would happen next. By the time the what's next was next, we were completely unprepared and filled with anxiety. It was an interview, and it was right away. We were ushered into an interrogation room at the RV Unplugged rally headquarters, where we sat in front of the entire production crew. And then, with the spotlights and cameras aimed squarely in our faces, it started.
Hey, do you want to be a contestant on season 2 of RV Unplugged?
Our defenses were no match for the onslaught of questions that were fired in rapid succession.
Get down!
We slipped and stuttered and stammered, and all the other S words that would overly dramatize our weakened state of communication. Okay, maybe you're right. We might be exaggerating the drama level a bit here, but you know what it's like when a crowd of people are staring at you, asking you a bunch of personal questions. It can freak you out a bit, right? Your mind starts wandering all over the place and you just don't know how to answer. Well, that's what happened to us.
Oh, so always look at the camera?
Here are just a few examples of the answers we gave. Bring you behind the scenes a little bit.
Well, we're Jack and Shelby.
I'm Shelby. That's Jack.
True. What do you mean what makes us special? Oh, the camera, right.
Oh.
What do you mean what makes us special?
Oh. Well,
What makes us special?
we have 5 unique kids.
That makes the kids special.
And when we didn't know what to say, we really did not know what to say.
We are definitely adventurous. Adventure. What type of adventure?
Lots of adventure.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's terrible.
Admittedly, this was a rough start. We had not yet hit our stride, apparently. But I think things started to pick up here when we started answering questions naturally and had some fun.
Tell us about you.
Tell us about you?
No, tell you about us.
Okay.
Wait, now I don't even know what it is.
I don't know. We're full-time RVers. We've been full-time RVing for a year. We love it. Travel all over Tennessee. We live in Tennessee. We have an outpost there. And whenever we're not on the road, that's where we are.
Where?
We're adventurous to the point with our 5 kids that we have traveled with them. We've dragged them all over the place. United States while we were camping. We've even taken them overseas. I don't know if anybody has ever seen National Lampoon's Vacation. We did that. We tried to do that in a minivan through Europe. That was nuts. 5 kids in the back of a minivan through Europe.
Yeah.
Not necessarily recommended, but
No.
it was
not
an experience.
With the way you drive. Yeah.
I got us home safely.
Yeah, your driving makes me nervous.
2 tickets, just 2.
Who gets a ticket in another country?
So many people do.
No, I think just you.
No. All right, so adventurous. Well, we have a little family tradition.
Yeah.
That is meant to prepare our kids for the rest of their lives as they jump off into what is their life, as opposed to just being part of the life of a family. And what better way to jump off into life than
when you turn 18.
When you turn 18, than to jump out of an airplane.
Yeah, or get pushed.
Yeah, they asked us a bit more about this, and rather than going through that here, let me just show you.
We're about to jump from a perfectly good airplane from like 10,000 feet, going 120 miles per hour.
And why are you doing that?
Just for fun.
Yeah, nice. It's a little family tradition for us. Every time one of the kids turns 18, about to jump off into life, based on their own desire, they jump off a plane. Well, kind of their own desire, right?
It's a good way to start off. You're jumping into adulthood. Where's your ground crew?
Come on in, everybody.
Welcome back.
Thank you. This guy's
Everybody's
already
here.
gone.
Who's next? Who's next on the list?
Sydney will be next.
Nice.
So yeah, at this point, we feel like we're hitting our stride. I mean, we look pretty interesting. I mean, we're jumping out of airplanes and all. And it seemed like we were getting some good rapport with everyone in the room. It was awesome. And then they asked us why they should pick us.
Like we make people laugh. I think we make people laugh. Oh. Like right now?
Oh.
Make you laugh?
Oh my gosh.
All right.
Please don't do your joke.
Challenge accepted.
No, my gosh, your joke.
I'll tell you, make you laugh right now. I'm going to have to tell you a
You
joke.
guys do not want to hear this joke.
Why?
Oh my gosh.
It's a great joke. Okay.
Oh, no.
All right, so here's a joke. All right? Be prepared to laugh.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
No, please.
So these two whales, right? These two whales, they walk in a bar, right? And the first whale says,
God help me. Something wrong with you. I do apologize.
Ooh, the whale's talking.
Wow. Oh my God. Seriously?
And then the second whale says, "Shut up, Steve, you're drunk." It's just a drunk
I
whale.
know, guys. I know. I apologize. I
It's going to make you laugh one way or another. The goal is to get as uncomfortable as possible till someone laughs.
Oh, boy.
All right.
Well, there you have it. Some of the highs and some of the lows of the interview process. And we hope we did enough. And Shelby hoped that my joke did not hurt us. And so did I. But they told us we had plenty more in store, like they might be asking us for some additional video. More about that in just a moment. But with that, we headed on to Tennessee and back to our outpost and awaited word as to what they wanted next. So as we settled back in at the outpost awaiting word, we checked our emails daily. And it didn't take long. We got an email saying, "Congratulations, we made it to the next stage." They also said that they loved talking with us. And I think that's because of my joke. What do y'all think? There was also an attachment to the email. And this is where things get very interesting. It looks like they're asking us for a 60-second video, giving some background as to who we are and why we think we would win RV Unplugged Season 2. Unfortunately, it also says no music allowed in the video, but that's okay. A video showing how we're going to win Season 2? I think that calls for a 1980s workout montage. But we'll have to hide it somewhere within our 1-minute video to make it seem professional and all. Well, here it is. Here's our 1-minute audition video that we hope gets us to Athens, Texas for Season 2. Hi, we're Jack.
And Shelby, and we live in beautiful Tennessee.
Last year, we sold 70 of our 80-acre ranch to build a family RV outpost.
3 of our 5 adult kids decided to join us in this adventure.
So now we have an RV outpost filled with 4 RVs, 3 kids, 1 son-in-law, and 3 granddogs. Now it's our mission to win RV Unplugged.
Season 2.
We're going to bring honor and respect to this family.
We're gonna win this one for the kids.
Yeah, their belief and their support in us means everything.
Everything.
What are we talking about again?
It's a competition, like a mental competition.
Oh yeah, they're not the smartest people you've ever met, so.
Oh, they're just gonna embarrass the family.
Ken?
Aren't they precious?
Precious.
I'll tell you what.
I tell you what.
How are we going to win this, you might ask?
With strength and muscle.
73.
105.
32 minutes. 3 more sweat.
So much!
We got to impress them with the...
Are we supposed to be pretending to work out again tomorrow?
No, we filmed that today.
Thank God.
We never have to work out again.
Now you know we're going to do it for the kids.
With strength and muscles.
And in style. You ready?
Let's do this!
Well, that's it. That was our 1-minute video audition that we sent off to the producers. And then we waited. It was just like any other day. After dinner, settling in, watching the next episode of RV Unplugged, when this happened.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh.
What's
Guess
up?
what? We got an email.
What?
Guess what?
What?
Oh my gosh. Okay. It says, oh my gosh. Okay.
Let me put me in.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I hope you guys are doing well. We just want you guys to know how much everyone on the cast and crew enjoyed getting to know you guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So we would absolutely like to offer you guys a spot on the show. Please say yes. Anxiously.
Yes! So we're in. We're on the show.
We're on.
We're on season 2
Yes.
of RV Unplugged.
Yes.
It's going to be brutal, physical, and mental,
Yes.
and it's going to be some tactical. There's going to be some strategy,
I'm sure.
gamesmanship.
Competition.
It's going to be physical.
It's gonna be great.
We got to start training.
We gotta start training.
That's next.
Well, it sure does look like exciting times ahead for this duo. If we made you laugh or made you think or liked spending time with us, we sure would like for you to come along for the ride. So feel free to subscribe and join us on our next adventures. We'll have some fun together. I promise.